morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. Today I want to share with you my Planners Anonymous Remix Box 4. I got this the other day and I just haven't had a chance to film it. And we're going to go through this pretty quickly, but let's take a look. Okay, so Remix 4 is basically two different kits. The first one was Coffee and Corgis, and then the second one is Farmhouse Falls. I do already have both of these kits, and I can tell you that they're lovely. They are very fall oriented, and they actually, ironically, they both kind of came out at the same time. So Coffee and Corgis came first, and then we went into Farmhouse Falls. And Sammy had made up this story that like the two people were dating, so that was kind of fun. But let's take a look. Let's take a look at everything. Okay, so let's do Coffee and Corgis first. We'll do them in order. So this one is exactly how it sounds. It's coffee and puppies, which is kind of cool. So this one has the puppy dogs and the paw prints all over, and it's got this kind of like rose tone. And these are the papers. They are 8.5 by 11. This one has the back of the coffee house wall, which is really cool. It's got black on the back. Then we have all these coffee cups, and then occasionally you'll have a puppy dog popping out of the coffee. This has chocolate color on the back. And then you are left with an acetate and a vellum. So the vellum is the puppy print, and then the acetate is really cool because it looks like a chalkboard feel. So you can actually put it over top the back of the black paper, and then it looks like a chalkboard. That is the paper kit, and then we have the rest of it here. So when I order the remix, I always get the sticker remix and the kit remix, so I have both on me because I love having all of the things, and I like having extra stickers. So here is the stamps. It says thanks a latte, and it's got the coffee. You can choose which one you want on the top. It's got some puppies and the little puppy butt, and then yeah, pro caffeinating. That's funny. These are the stickers, like the week stickers. So let's open these. Between this sticker sheet, like these two, and the sticker book, you basically have like five whole weeks, because then you can include this. The sticker book usually only includes 4 weeks, but then you also get the date dots for the month. So this is what that looks like, and this is a little folding planner. This guy's name is Ken, apparently. We should be able to see, yeah, his name is Ken, but he is pretty cute. Everybody fell in love with him. They were like, ooh, he's so cute. You also get a pen, so that's cool. And you also get a little pack of sticky notes, which I love these. I think they're so cute. It's like a little coffee cup. Very cute. Okay, so we'll open the washi and we'll swatch the washi like usual. It is kind of nice, like you only get 3. Like I do have all of these open already, but that's okay because I really want to show you guys. You get 3 per kit, which I feel like, I think 3 is enough. In general, like as long as they're different, and I do like the fact that Planners Anonymous had different sizes of washi, so that you could play around and be creative with it. I sometimes feel like Cocoa Daisy, like even though I get usually 3 to 4 washi tapes, I feel like sometimes it isn't enough because they're so similar with so many of the similar colors. Like, and I guess it depends which kit you're talking about too, because they're not all like that. But yeah, I don't know. I do like the variegation in Planners Anonymous washi. So these are the die cuts. You actually get quite a few here. And then you've got the card, so it's Ken. And then on the back it says, first I do the coffee, then I man the things. I man the things. Not I do the things, I man them. So I love this. Like I love the fact that these die cuts are really heavy cardstock, so you can use them as like decorative pieces for your planner. And like, I mean, you could use this with all sorts of things. Like you could use this with Ciao Bella from the postcards. You could use it with, I don't know, like all of the coffee themes. Like there's that, there was a bookstore coffee one with pink flowers. I can't remember the name of it, but it was kind of like a, I don't remember, but it was really cool. Anyway, I don't remember the names of all the kits. You have quite a bit of greenery in here, paw prints, a lot of coffee, which is amazing. I love this one. This is so adorable. A picture of cream, a puppy. Look how cute. Some more plants. I actually really did love this one. I remember using this. This is a light bulb, a flower, and then some I can't talk, some single coffee beans, another flower. This is actually one of my favorite kits. I really liked it. I can't remember what planner I used it with now. I think it was a pink planner. I think it was one of my pink Franklins. But if I had a chocolate Franklin planner, I would be beyond happy with that. That's what I'm waiting for them to come out with now, is a dark brown chocolate colored vintage Aurora. That's what I want. Okay, so now we look through the first sticker book here. So this has gold foil, which is so pretty. You've got this journaling sticker down below. This part isn't cut out, but you can cut it out on your own and use it as a washi strip. So we've got some decorative, like he's so cute, so handsome. You've got your minis. And then you get into the first week. So the first week has the gold foil, and I love this. You can write with white pen here. The next one doesn't have any foil, but it's green and brown with the boxes. This one does have foil. It's back to the puppies. No foil, but it's got that chalkboard look. And then you've got a clear sheet of your date dots, and then this middle sticker, which I actually really loved. Functional, so these are washi strips, and then your folding planner, which you can write on these. Functional boxes, and then your dates, and then some headers. Okay, that is it for that. So let's quickly swatch this washi. I realized how much washi I've actually got in here. So much. Okay, so this one is a tiny one. This is actually kind of cute because it looks like the chalkboard theme, and it's got little hearts on it. Little cute little coffee hearts. I don't know. They actually look like they're brown or chalkboard-ish style design. This one is a bunch of coffee sitting on a desk. I'm going to use the same paper for both kits. I hope that's okay. And then the next one, it has foil on it. So I think that one did too. That one has foil. So one thing that Planners Anonymous always had was foil on their stickers until they got to chapters, and they stopped for a while. Okay, so this one has puppy dogs, and I think that's it. I think that's how it just goes around like that. But I don't know. I really, really enjoyed this kit. Let's open the next one now. This is Farmhouse Falls. Now this is one of my favorite kits too. So between these two, they were some of my favorites before they changed into chapters. I didn't like the Peach Promenade one as much, but these ones were amazing. Okay, so you have Farmhouse Falls. So this paper is just brilliant. It's so perfect for October. I just love it so much. You've got this orange, and it's almost like a checkered pattern. Love that. Yeah, these were flipping gorgeous. You've got this heart pattern with the orange on the back. And then you have this one that looks like pictures and memories. That's got that nice brown on the back. I love the pumpkins. And then the acetate is this gold foil with the pretty fall leaves, and then the vellum is like this overlay, and it's all orange with some hidden trees in there. I just love that. Yeah, definitely one of my favorite kits for sure. Okay, then let's get into all the goodies here. Okay, so the fun thing about this, you still get a pen, but it's more of that orangey red color, and you also get a pocket. I love these. So you actually get two. One of them is a bit bigger than the other. This one has a corner pocket, which is so fun. And this one says all the fall things. So I'll probably, hopefully use these in my fall setup. I'm going to see what Cocoa Daisy comes out with in the next couple of days. Very excited for that. So let's look at the stamps quick. So this one, again, so fun. At first I was like, why am I collecting all these stamps? Like, what am I going to do with them all? But like, can you imagine if you watercolored this truck red and then put like a pumpkin in the back or something? Like, how fun would that be? I want to start playing. I want to start, like, when my kids leave the house, I want to use my stamps and just go through all of the kits and then design something. I can see that being very time consuming, but I think it would be so much fun. So you've got a whole bunch of words here. You've got a little box for the like a fence or something. Some hay bales you can put in the truck. And then some fall leaves, which is so fun. And then you also have these little faces for the little, what are those called again? Oh, anyway, the little critter. But so much fun. Okay, let's open up the weekly or the monthly kit. Do they call it a weekly kit? I don't know. But I call it a weekly kit, but it does have like the month date dots on it. So again, the colors are phenomenal. You've got the monthly dates, the weekly, one set of weeklies anyway, and then a decorative sheet, the folding planner. So cute. Okay, let's open up the die cuts here. Okay, and then this girl, her name is Willow. So she's got the red hair. It's fall. It says fall, the season of pumpkin spice and cozy scarves, a magical time when leaves become confetti and hugs are extra snug. Love that so much. I'm in love with this kit. Okay, so we have a window, pumpkins. Yeah, I love these colors. Like, this just makes me yearn for fall. I wish it was like this here, but it's not. Our fall does not last long. What are they called? You guys can let me know. I can't remember. I'm having a mind blank right now. Okay. I'll probably think about it by the time we're done. We've got some cupcakes. Some pumpkin spice cupcakes to go with the coffee from the Coffee and Corgis kit, probably. Love that one. I would probably use that as like a die cut decoration sticker to put in the front of my planner. This is a little like chair, like a little bench sitting out of the front porch. Also, I'm in love with that one. I'm so glad that I have some more of these. I think I used up my first full kit, actually. A truck, I love. A bunch of heart-shaped leaves. A little tower of, like, that's actually fun. That'd be a fun decoration to have. Some pancakes and coffee. A little decorative chair, a white pumpkin, some cinnamon buns, some treats. Here's a gourd. I also like this one. This is like the leaves on the trees, and then just a few single leaves, a coffee cup, and then a book with a pumpkin on top of it. So much fun. Yeah, you know what, like, I think the planning season, like, I'm not one for fall per se. Like, I don't like the season itself. I do enjoy Halloween, but I don't like the season itself because it means like winter is coming, and I don't like that at all. Like, I hate winters here in Alberta, but at the same time, I like the planning, like the fall planning. I love it so much. I love the variegation. I love the colors. I love that aspect of it. I just don't like fall. Like, if we didn't get snow here, then maybe it'd be different for me. We're just going to open the washi. All right, so we're going to swatch this washi tape. Sorry, my son just woke up, so if you can hear him in the background, that is him. The first one is variegated. It goes from like orange to red. And then the middle one, I think this is my favorite actually. So it's got like orange and red leaves with this gold foil leaf on top. I think that one's my favorite. And then the last one is actually that style of like memory kind of postcard pictures, but it also has these little cute little gold leaves on top. It's got a whole bunch of different little pictures and stuff in there. So that is so pretty. I just did 2 strips of the big one, so it looks like there's 4. There's still only 3. And then we have the stickers to go through. Okay, so we have gold foil on this first page. We've got this journaling sticker down below. We've got the beautiful truck that I absolutely love, the PA tones. This is a clear sticker sheet, so it's got a whole bunch of treats on it. Then we have the clear minis. Our first week, we've got some gold foil on this one. Love this. It says rustling leaves dancing on a gentle breeze. The next one is like the treats. The next one is this beautiful fall leaf. And then the last one is that like picture pattern with the pictures and the gifts and stuff. And then we have a clear one with the dots, a few decorative, and then the big middle sticker. Some washi tape strips with the folding planner, the functional boxes, and then last but not least, we've got the date dots and then the headers in gold foil. Okay, so that is it for these kits. Aren't they just beautiful? I just forgot how much I love the fall colors. But yeah, just opening this kit just makes me even more excited to see what Coco Daisy has for October. So I hope, fingers crossed, I hope I get in. But that is it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're new, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Click on the bell button to be notified when I upload new content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.